Hey everyone, this is Lloyd with leadsbylloyd.com. I'm shooting this video on my lunch break. This video is going to be about how to use Power Lead System. Before I get started, I'm going to just tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a 42-year-old father of 3 daughters. I'm a full-time respiratory therapist, so I'm still working my job while pursuing and growing my online business and brand. I got started online back in 2014. That's when I made my first dollar, and I got hooked, and I saw it as a means to achieve some time freedom. I started with this particular system, Power Lead System, um, in February, near the end of February, and I've been doing pretty well with it. In addition to, it has everything I need. It's an all-in-one marketing and training suite for growing my online business. So that being said, let's get to how to use Power Lead System. And the real reason why I say this video is going to be quick because it's really simple to explain. Uh, Power Lead System, 3 simple steps. One, get your landing page and sales funnel set up. Takes about 15-20 minutes. 2, get traffic to that landing page. Either free methods like what I'm doing here, YouTube, or we train you on a variety of ways, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, offline and online methods. Get traffic to there, and we have uh, paid ways to get traffic to your landing page. Then the system will then, so 3 is follow-up. So 1, set up, 2, traffic, 3, follow-up. Now, the system is set up that it will automatically follow up with those leads who opt into your capture page. You don't have to write any emails. It has it all set up. The autorespond is set up in the system. The emails are going to go out automatically because they say that a person has to see something 5 to 12 times before they make a buying decision. And this way, it's automated. You're exposed, you're in front of them, you stay relevant, you stay fresh to your prospects, and they get to know you, build rapport, trust, and like you. And then they purchase from you. It's really that simple, and it works, guys. I mean, I had my first $500 day Saturday, and I was really excited. I did a Facebook Live about it, and it wasn't hard. This is a real simple system. I'm gonna show you a few of my results real quick. Um, this is my email here, so I'm gonna go in here and show. So I'm making both residual income and upfront money. I'm gonna do gold. There we go, gold. So all of these people, like I said, I started back in the end of February. I got my first one the second day in March. Each one of these individuals is a $20 residual coming to me every month. Okay, and it's steadily growing. It continuously grows. Um, on top of which, I have traffic coming to my funnel, so more and more members are added every day because they see the value of this system. And not only can you promote Power Lead System, you can promote whatever business you might be in, skincare or you know pads or any one of the number of business opportunities and products um, that's out there. You can promote that on the back end, so the email sequence will have like the even number of emails. Email 2, 4, 6, 8 will promote your business. Email odd numbers, emails 1, 3, 5, etc. will promote Power Lead System. So when they click on the link, it'll go to whichever uh, opportunity is promoted on that particular email. That being said, guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'll have links below here to connect with me, I wanted to show you this too. When you join with me, you join with the group called the Freedom Takers. We have it all set up for you. Trainings on how to get set up. Like I said, it takes you 10 to 20 minutes to get set up. And we have it step by step here. Plus we have our group online where everybody is having success with this. Get notifications daily of people getting sales, gold members coming in, so forth and so on. So you won't be by yourself, and you also have me, and I take it very personal. So I help each one of my each person that signs up with me. I take time out now. Again, I'm a father, I'm a parent, and I have a full-time job. So I will work with you as much as I can to get you set up. And being that it's so easy as far as getting your funnel, landing page, and sales funnel set up, I can take 15 minutes, 10 minutes, get you all situated if you're having difficulty, okay? That being said, y'all have a good day. Talk to you soon.